Definition of a straight line. If a point moves on a plane in a given direction, then its locus is called a straight line, and the equation of its locus is called the equation of the straight line. We can have different forms of the equation of a straight line by assigning the direction of the moving point in various methods. However, these different forms of equation of a line are not independent. That is, one form of equation of a line can be reduced to the other form. In this chapter, we shall reduce the equations of a straight line in different forms. Inclination and gradient or slope of a straight line. The angle of inclination or simply inclination of a line is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of the x-axis. It is usually measured from the positive x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. In figure 1, the inclinations of the lines AB and CD are alpha and beta respectively. The gradient or slope of a line not parallel to the y-axis is the trigonometrical tangent of the angle which the line makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. In short, the slope of a line is the trigonometrical tangent of its inclination. Thus, if a line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis, then its slope will be tan theta. The slope of a line is positive or negative accordingly as theta is acute or obtuse. The slope of a line is negative, usually denoted by m. Thus, m equal to tan theta. Thus, we come to know that m equal to tan theta is inclination or gradient. To find the slope of a line through two given points, let px1 y1 and px2 y2 be two given points with respect to rectangular coordinate axes x o x dash and y o y dash. If the straight line PQ makes an angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis, that is OX, then by definition, the slope of the line PQ is tan theta. Hence, we are to find the value of m equal to tan theta. So, draw perpendiculars PL and QM, which is PL and QM on OX. And from Q, draw QR, that is QR, perpendicular on PL, this is PL. Then we must have PL equal to y1, P1 equal to y1, QM equal to y2, OL equal to x1 and OM equal to x2. So QR equal to ML equal to OL minus OM equal to x1 minus x2. PR equal to PL minus RL. PL minus QM equal to y1 minus y2. Since QR is parallel to x dash x, hence angle PQ are equal to theta. Therefore, from the right angled triangle PQR we get tan theta equal to PR by QR. PR by QR. QR. y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Therefore, the required slope of the line joining the points P x1 y1 and Q y1 x2 y2 is tan theta y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Difference of ordinates of the given points by difference of abscissa of the given points.